What's going on today, guys? So today we're going to be doing some ball joints, bushings, and reinstalling control arms onto the 1990 Dodge Dakota frame. So right now, I've recently 415 the control arms. I've got the I don't even know what the hell this is called, center shaft for the upper control arm. Got the 2 bolts for the lower control arm. I got new ones because the other ones were torched out by yours truly. So yeah, we're gonna press the ball joint into this one, and then this one is threaded on the upper, so we're gonna use a specialty socket to thread that guy in. I'm gonna set you guys up so we can start pressing this ball joint in. All right, so now we're back. I've got a collar on the bottom. There's a cutout between these 2 plates here, and I'm gonna press with this guy on top here, and we're gonna see how it works. And we're seated. Sweet. So yeah, that's how you press in a ball joint. Just like that. Alright, now that we have the ball joint pressed in, I'm going to put the boot and the washer and things like that on. And then we're going to go on to the upper control arm to put the upper ball joint in, which should be much easier, even though the lower one didn't take all that much. There we go. Now it's sitting nice and flush. We've got our cotter pin and our castle nut. Great, no, we'll use that later. Now we've got a little grease zerk that I'm gonna flip this thing over, install. Actually, I'm gonna get a wrench. It's a 5/16 wrench. Alright, there's that. Lower control arm is done for now until we go on to bushings, and then I'm gonna start with the upper control arm. Move that out of the way. Hopefully not lose the castle nut. So there's the upper control arm. Here is the threaded ball joint. This guy comes with pretty much the same things, except this one does come with a washer for some reason. I don't know why the bottom one doesn't. Alright, so this is a specialty Chrysler 2 9/64 socket. You'll see it's not like a hex or anything. It's got rounded edges and flats on it, and that's because this guy is also weird looking. Without this, you will not be able to install this. It is a 3/4 drive, so I put a 1/2 inch to 3/4 adapter. That's as far as it wants to go. And you know, I'd say, being that this has it's 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, breakaway torque, and probably like 600 or 500 foot-pounds of tightening torque, I'd probably say she's tight. Jesus. Alright, then you put your little grease zerk on there. Alright, and that's in there. And you put your good old dust boot on. We've got the ball joints in. Now it's time to put in the bushings into the arms. So let's start with the upper, because it's already right here. I'm going to set this on there. So where's my bag of goodies? So here are my bag of bushings. The two small ones for the top. These two for the bottom, obviously. Obviously. There's that. Throw those back in there. Now where's the grease? There's the grease. The kit comes with grease. The, what is this kit? The Energy Suspension Polyurethane Bushing Kit comes with that. That's how you do the bushings on the upper ball joint, or upper control arm. Now you gotta put your fancy little doohickey there. Put your fancy little nut on there. I'm gonna put some anti-seize on this nut. I won't be able to tighten these down until it's on the truck, but you really shouldn't be tightening them down until it's aligned anyways, or tighten fully down until it's aligned. So the upper control arm is done. I'm going to move it out of the way. Lower control arm. And on the lower control arm there is one sleeve that comes with the kit. I didn't actually show it in the video, but there is a sleeve that comes with the kit and it goes onto this side here, the shorter, fatter one. I don't know why they supply just that sleeve and not the others, but whatever. There they are. So obviously this one goes there. This one goes there. You've got a short and a long inner tube as well, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Because these have bolts going through them, I don't have to wait to put a center shaft or anything. So then you're just going to smear the, I think it's silicone-based lubricant on it. Not exactly positive. But they give you plenty of it, so don't be shy. There we go. Perfect, flawless. Now we're gonna set you up in a position to show you how to install these things. Now I've got you guys set up on my head. There's Sam. I'm gonna begin to put the control arms back on. Again, because we took everything apart, I will need an alignment, so I'm not worried too much about where it's going or not. Right now, at least. Yeah, it is. I'm not taking it MTB. Could you hand me the upper? I think I'm gonna take it to Logan's, because I feel like he would actually know how to do an alignment on one of these. Nothing against big O tires, but I don't think that they are fully trained to do things like this. Man. I might. I can get it. Maybe. Come on, you bastard. I got it. There. Sweet. Wonderful.
Great grand fantastic.
What?
Great grand fantastic.
Yeah. Alright, that's on there. Sweet.
Yeah, well, it should just have like a blue half and half.
I don't always drink Dos Equis. When I do. Back up, back up. The entire mount is moved over. There. Back together. Ta-da! Alright. Sweet. End of video.
Just like that El Presto Magnifico.
Yeah. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Right, Sam? Yup. Beautiful. Alright, so that is how you do upper and lower control arm bushings, ball joints, and install. Of course, all I have left is to remove the compressor from the shock tower. Well, or not. All right, that's done now. Joe. All right. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's almost complete now. All I'm missing is a frame. All right. I think that's gonna end off the video. Any last remarks, Sam?
Don't try this at home.
Yeah, don't try this at home. This sucks. Send it to a professional.
Pretty much sucks.
We are definitely not professionals.
Semi-pro.
Yeah, semi-pro at best.
YouTube certified.
Anyways, that is it for this video. Sam's shaking up the heat. I think he doesn't need to because we're gonna get out of here. It's late, it's dark, it's cold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been exhilarating and super fun. At least it has been for us. If you guys like the video, please like the video and consider subscribing. Any last words, Sam?
Bye.